Hey, so if you're using a computer and want to manage data, budgets, or reports easily, yeah, Google Sheets on PC is one of the most useful tools you can use. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google Sheets on PC step by step in 2026. First, open Chrome, Edge, or any browser on your PC. Now search for Google Sheets and open it, or go directly to the Sheets homepage. Make sure you're signed into your Google account to save your files automatically. Click Blank Spreadsheet to start a new file. At the top, you'll see menus, tools, and formatting options. The grid is where you enter data. Click any cell and start typing numbers, text, or formulas. You can format text, add colors, adjust columns, and organize your sheet easily. Formulas like sum and average help you calculate data automatically. Everything saves automatically to Google Drive, so you don't need to click Save. You can share your spreadsheet or download it as Excel or PDF anytime. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use Google Sheets on PC for work, school, and personal tasks in 2026.